I'm so happy to finally share this story with you. I'm sitting here on my couch with a big smile on my face, and I cannot believe that I am finally writing this. I'm a 17-year-old girl who has had a very tough past 2 years. When I was 14 and a half, I started having skin problems, and when I reached the age of 15, it was at its worst. I had very oily skin with big painful spots, a lot of blackheads, and a blemished and uneven skin tone. I do a lot of sports and I love taking care of myself, so this was horrible for me. I am a very sensitive person, so this skin problem shook me hard. I used to cry almost every day. I skipped a lot of school because I could not face people and I did not want people seeing me. I was scared to make eye contact with people. I did not like people looking at me, and I just spent most of my time in my room with my books and music. I first read The Secret and The Power when I was 13, and I used the law of attraction. However, when this problem came up, I read the books again about 5 times. Bought the magic, bought the sum of Abraham Hicks books and Louis Hay, and starting trying to heal myself. Now we know that the principle is that you start acting as if your dream is already complete and then you let it go. Well, it was not so easy for me. As much as I wanted to ignore my skin and pretending that I already had my beautiful skin, it was very hard for me. The second it would start getting better, I would just start focusing on the bad again, and it would get even worse. I always thought bad of myself. How I was so ugly, nobody likes me, I am unworthy, and I will never be happy. Last summer, I got very tired of my life and just stressing over my skin and not enjoying anything. So I just stopped caring. Finally, I just stopped looking in the mirror as I could not face my skin anymore. I stopped thinking anything about myself. I did not use a million different washes or treatments, and I started getting better. I just need to totally let go of my struggle, which I was holding on to for 2 years, and the healing started. Now I am sitting here with my beautiful skin and writing this story. I cannot believe I have come to this. I could never in a million years believe that I would finally have a beautiful skin. It is a miracle for me. I know to some of you skin might seem like a small thing, but after spending a year and a half crying and being depressed about my skin, this is a true miracle for me. I read all these stories about how people clear their skin, and it always seemed impossible to me. They could do it, but I could not. But hi, I did it. I'm so happy, and to anyone out there who is having the same problem as me, believe me, the law of attraction works, and you just have to let go and trust the process. It really works. You just have to stop obsessing and worrying. God bless you.